Abhiram is a student, is it? Abhiram Kalyan? You can unmute and tell Abhiram. Abhiram is a student.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So shall we wait? Like you had any other classes today?
No, ma'am. You are the one only joined,
Okay.
but
Yeah,
other
that's what
professors
I
not
was
joined.
waiting. I spoke to Dr. Radhakrishna. He said that students will be joining.
Yeah, he pinged in the group chat, but no one
Okay.
is
How many students
responding.
are there, Mr. Abhiram?
For operations management, I think 25 people, ma'am.
Okay. And all are engineers, is it?
Uh, no, different backgrounds, I think.
Okay. Different backgrounds.
Yeah.
Are you an engineer?
Yes. I am a BTech ECE.
Okay. That's nice.
Actually, they have last minute they posted the classes today. That's why
Even
people are not
yes, even for me also they informed today afternoon only 12. So I
okay.
said, can I take it from tomorrow? Then Radhakrishna sir said that today I can introduce. So I thought maybe maintenance management I can introduce the topic. Then tomorrow I can share the PPT and take the class.
Okay.
Because I think only it's a 5 week schedule, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
there are 5 blocks. So that has to be covered in 10 hours.
Mm,
Saturday and Sunday, 5 weeks.
yeah.
So tomorrow we need to complete block 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, I'll prepare for the PPT and we'll have block 1. Shall we wait
Yeah.
for some time then?
Yeah.
You can
Sure,
please
ma'am.
post it in the group, Abhiram.
Yeah. I will also post. Please
Yes,
give me
if at
some time,
least
ma'am.
few of them
I will also.
join out of 25, then we can.
Yeah.
So this is your third semester, is it?
This is the second semester. We have PG
Second.
diploma,
So,
no? Second
uh,
semester only.
so PG
The,
diploma is for 1 year or 2 years?
yeah, 1 year only. They mentioned 1 year, but it is a prolonging.
Okay. And you have a project work also?
Yes, yes. In this semester,
Oh,
have a project work also.
okay. So you're working, Sabiram?
Ma'am, I posted in the group, but no one is responding. Let's
So
wait
shall
for
we go ahead
some.
with the class?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, because you are attending the class, so I can't afford to like lose your time.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Yes,
sure,
we'll
ma'am.
go ahead with the class, and the course title is maintenance management. That is how it is. It was told to me, and it has 5 blocks like any other courses. And
Okay.
sir has shared the PDF with me. But then I wanted to share a little experience of mine for the past few days. I work as a in charge principal for St. Pius X PG MBA College for Women. So AICT is the uh, competent authority, the regulatory body which regulates all the technical institutes. You must be knowing
Yes.
because you have done engineering, right? So All
Yes,
India
ma'am.
Council. So this year, what happened was BBA and BCA also they have included in the AICT's purview. So we were working on that. So 7th was the last date, and we had submitted the form. Uh,
Okay.
After 7th, they said that 7th to 14th, you have to submit the essential documents. Okay. And then yesterday, I called up office person. I asked her, like, I don't remember the login credentials. It is she who opens it. And then at some help she needs, she calls me, usually, the office lady, the
Okay.
clerical admin staff, basically. So she said, uh, ma'am, that website, AICT's website is under maintenance. That's what she told. So I thought I can share this little experience. Like this maintenance word really struck me. Okay, then what is maintenance? Okay, and how do we differentiate that with the repairs? Okay, so maintenance. Because you must be working, can you relate to it, and can you throw some light on what? How can we really differentiate repair and maintenance?
Uh, Maintenance means we have to manage the equipment and repair. It's if the issue occurs, uh, we have to repair that one.
Mm. True, in both the cases, we are basically taking a corrective action. Okay. So
Yeah.
repairs also, we are taking a corrective action. Something is gone wrong with the machine, we are repairing it. it's not working. See, it can be a slightest, smallest of the machine, or it can be your system, computer system, it can be your phone, it can be any device for that matter. Okay, so you say, and maintenance is such a word which is used in the common parlance that we say that it is under maintained or it is ill maintained premises, it is not maintained properly. Okay, so what is such a big thing about maintenance? Why do we have to give importance to the maintenance management, that you study it as a separate course? Okay, because it occupies a major chunk of the production cost. Okay, if you see the cost sheet of a manufacturing of a product, like why cost sheet is necessary, we maybe you don't have to study about cost management, but then cost, basically you find out the cost of a product, cost of manufacturing of a product or service, with a very objective of pricing it, because we have to price, we have to sell the product, right? So we have to find out the cost.
Yes.
And production cost, this maintenance cost, it forms around, survey shows, the statistics shows, reveal across the sectors, let it be any sector, maintenance costs are 15 to 40% of the production cost. 15 to 40% is a huge amount, isn't it? Say,
Yes.
maybe say 100 rupees is the cost of the product. 40 rupees, 15 to 40 rupees we are spending only on maintenance of the different things, maintenance of the equipment, maintenance of the buildings, maintenance of the machinery, maintenance of all the things. Okay, whichever are there in the production process, the infrastructure, everything we have to maintain. So let us see the difference between the repairs and maintenance. So you must have heard the term known as proactive, okay, and reactive. Okay, so the same difference holds good between even repairs and maintenance. Okay, reactive is after an incident has happened, we react to it. By any chance, did you see that Railwaymen? It is on Bhopal gas tragedy. It is
Yeah.
coming on Netflix. Okay, so it is about, it was an ill-maintained company which produced pesticides, basically, right? No fertilizers, um, and it was ill-maintained. It was not maintained well. Though the accidents have occurred, it wasn't maintained well. Okay, so reactive approach is repairs. Reactive. After an incident has happened, after the person has died, you just repair that. Why did he die? Because this machine got failed. Okay, because there was a gas leakage here, so they had just repaired that. Okay, so repairs is a corrective action, and repairs is little more expensive than maintenance. Okay, why? Because that machine has got to a worse condition and production has come to a standstill, and it is unplanned unplanned stoppage. See, when everything is going on right, you plan for the production activity, and you stop it suddenly for few days, your uh, the production process, the whole of the production process has come to a standstill. You are losing your customer. Okay, so repairs is a unplanned activity, because after machine has failed, you are calling for a repair. But whereas maintenance is a proactive approach, you do the maintenance before only. Suppose your vehicle is troubling, you give it for servicing, you give it for overhauling, right? So because you want to use that asset, or you want to use that building, you want to use that uh, whatever it is, okay, at a more efficiently. And management, we talk about the effectiveness and efficiency. We want to use the assets very effectively with greater efficiency. Okay, so maintenance is a proactive approach where we take uh, we give it for servicing, we do that repairing action, or we do that improvisation before it worsens. Whereas repairs, after it worsens, we take a call. Okay, this is the basic difference between repairs and maintenance. Okay, and why maintenance are important, as we have shared earlier. Maintenance is important because I thought I have taken a screenshot also. I thought I'll share it in the class, but hardly only one student is there.
Yeah.
Okay, but never mind.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
no problem.
1 minute. I'll just share. I asked that lady to send the screenshot of it, the AICT's website.
Okay.
Yeah. It is how it was there. Okay. See, the form is submitted, payment received, and here the message you can read, right? Abhiram, Mr. Abhiram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We will be back soon. Kindly submit your application as soon as possible. Please make the payment from 8th and complete the process within that. We will be back soon. Okay. I don't know of what age you are, Mr. Abhiram, but when I was a school child, we used to have only channel, one channel, that was Doordarshan. Okay. And there they used to give Antara, sorry for the interruption. That board used to come. Okay. There used to be lots of maintenance problems of the Doordarshan channel, the only channel which used to be there. Okay. And the technology wasn't developed properly, and there were lot many hassles in that. Okay, now hardly now the kids get to see that. Sorry for the interruptions. Okay, so I think one more student has joined. Yeah, Miss Pavani has joined. Are you also an engineer, Pavani? Yeah, Pavani. Miss or Mrs. Pavani. Miss Pavani.
I think she is not in audio, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I'll share the material also, which I think you all also are having the material. I'll just give you the pro forma of how I'll be covering it. Is it only for 5 weeks, right from this week?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
schedule
I
was it
think,
shared with you?
yeah, just a minute, ma'am. It's scheduled. So I think 5 weeks only.
5 weeks
Just
from the current week, starting from today. No?
yeah, starting from I'm opening the document. Just a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, up to 10th March, ma'am.
Up to 10th March. Okay, right. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be sharing the screen and I'll share the material and I'll tell the format in which I'll be covering all the 5 blocks in the 9 classes which are left aside from tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah. Recently, there was something else also happened. Um Stock market is usually open from Monday to Friday. Okay. Uh, Saturdays it is closed. Uh, you must be knowing, having knowledge of stock markets, isn't it?
Yeah, not much, ma'am, but I know the timings like morning
Yes,
9:15.
it is 9:15 to 3:30, sir.
Yes.
Uh, so it is open from Monday to Friday. But
Yeah.
recently, on one of the days, what happened was it was open on Saturday.
Oh,
Okay, that was a strange thing. So what they said was they are maintaining, they are carrying on maintenance. They are doing some maintenance management in the stock markets, and so they want to change the server from one server to another server, and that was the allotted date was Monday. So Monday they had put it close. So recently it has happened. I don't remember the exact date, but Saturday the market was open, and
okay.
because of the maintenance one. Okay, so maintenance happens in all the sectors, across the sectors, even if it is the secondary markets or if it is the manufacturing sector or even if it is the service sector where the job is done on the systems. Okay, maybe the banks, education sector. I work for the education sector, right? So even in our college, you have maintenance of various other things. Okay, come Saturday, the maintenance of the garden thing goes on. Okay. And maintenance of library, we call it as library. She uses some terminology, I don't remember now. But even that maintenance is done, everything. Okay, so maintenance, it's like an all-pervasive term which is there in across the sectors. Let it be any sector, you have to manage the maintenance. Okay, so these are the 5 blocks which we will be doing in the rest of the 9 classes. Okay, so here today we have just introduced with what is maintenance, what do you mean by maintenance, and why maintenance is needed also. We will try to cover it in tomorrow's class only elaborately.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are the 5 blocks. Maintenance managers management, first block is about the structure and strategies. Okay, if you see the word strategy, how do you understand the word strategy? You must have read about strategy word in others courses also.
Yes, ma'am. And also, my current job role, I am working in the IT industry, and my job role is IT service manager. So, taking
Okay,
care of
nice.
processes, ITL, incident
Huh.
management, problem change.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you have to do, Mr. Abhinam?
Yeah. So, my job role is IT service manager and taking care of ITL processes, incident
Uh-huh.
management, problem management, change management.
Okay.
Yeah, now you mentioned reactive and proactive, right? So in operations also, it's the reactive problem management and proactive.
Yes,
Now,
proactive.
yeah, proactive means
So
to
you,
prevent reoccurring of the incidents on
yes,
the.
very good.
Yeah,
Yes, proactive is like a taking a preventive action. And you have an English saying which says that prevention is better than cure.
yeah,
See, even in personal health also, if we go for regular checkups, even if for the slightest things, or we get our regular body checkups done, we can avoid many diseases at the early stages. But often we do the other way around. We react to a certain situation. Okay, so
yeah,
these are the different blocks which you have. First one is to do with the structure and strategies. So how the maintenance management is structured, like who are all the people involved in the maintenance management. So maintenance management also we can see as the operations management. We have input, process, output, right? We have uh, 5 M's going into the system. Then you have processes. Then output is either good or a service when it comes to the production process. But here also maintenance management can also be taken as a input, output, input, process, output uh, thing, right? So we have
yeah,
certain inputs which go in, and then we have actual maintenance which happens in the processes, and then we have an output which is an enhanced asset. You have an asset which is working properly, which is well maintained. That is the output. Okay, so we have input, process, output here also. Okay, so we will see the structure, who all are the people involved in it, and what all things are needed for that maintenance management. And strategies, if you see the word strategies, it has origin in the word strategos, which means warlike situation. Okay, we say that we are using tactics. See, suppose human beings, as we would have had abundant resources, like how much ever land we can use, right? How much ever water we can use, we can. There are abundant minerals, there is abundance in everything. Then management wouldn't have come into picture only. Okay, we have management, we have economics, just because we have scarce resources. We need to optimize the resources. That's why management is there. Okay, and we say that various tactics we use, various strategies we use. So strategy, if you see, strategy is like warlike. So are we waging a war in a real sense? No, we are not waging a war. But in the perfect competition conditions, it is like a waging a war only. So first unit talks about maintenance management structure and strategies. So strategies are the various tactics which we will be using in maintenance management. Okay. Second block is about, so this block one we will be covering in tomorrow's class. Block 2 is about maintenance planning and scheduling methods. Okay, you have various replacement decisions which have to be taken for certain assets, or the even if after the maintaining. And I would like to share one more thing here. You have a Smart India hackathon. You must be knowing, Mr. Abhiram.
Yes.
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 So Ministry of Education conducts that. Okay. So 2 years back, our students also had gone for the grand finale, and their innovation was machine horoscope. They called it as machine horoscope. So machine horoscope is like a program which will tell like when this machine is going to be for maintenance, or when the maintenance is needed, or when the repairs are needed, how worse the machine has become. Okay, so they had developed a software program for that. Okay, and they named it as machine horoscope. Okay, so that was their innovation, and they had got some prize also for that. Okay, so it even that was related to maintenance. Okay, because that software program will tell when that machine, that physical machine, will need repairs based on different parameters, based on different key metrics. It would tell when that machine is going for repairs or maintenance. Okay, what is needed now. Okay, so it they have developed that. The girls students of our college have developed that. Okay, so second unit is about maintenance planning and scheduling methods. So here, if you could have learned it in operations management, you had different scheduling methods. Okay, so which
Yes.
operations has to be done on which machines. You have machine sequencing numericals, or machine sequencing was discussed, right? So
Yes.
here also we will discuss about that. Okay, so third unit is about development issues in maintenance management. Developmental issues like various safety and environmental things are discussed here, because even in marketing, was marketing course there for you last semester?
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
it wasn't there. But in marketing, if you see in marketing, we talk of the evolution of marketing. Initially, it was production concept, wherein the products were manufactured at a large scale. But now, after the entire evolution was done, now we talk of societal things. And earlier also, when you talk of business firms, you talk of triple P, bottom line, only a single bottom line. That is, your profits was the bottom line. You use the all the business firms used to think of only profits, profits, profits. But now triple P bottom line has come into place, right? Triple P bottom line has replaced the single bottom line that was profit. So now you are talking of not only of profits, but you are talking of planet, that is environment, our earth, and also people. Okay, so the things have changed now, the approach has changed, and now we are talking of safety things, environmental aspects, okay, which were maybe ignored 2 or 3 decades back. Okay, so it has evolved. So third block will be talking about developmental issues which are taking place in the maintenance management. Fourth block will be talking about the integrated maintenance systems. Okay, so here also the waste management, the maintenance effectiveness, and the spare part management. The other, in an integrated way, we are seeing the different things, the different assets, machinery, building, spare parts, everything being maintained. Okay, then in the block 5, we'll be learning about the future future trends or the advanced techniques which are there in the maintenance management. Okay,
Yes.
so maybe the month of March we'll be doing the 5th block. Okay, so this is how the progress will be for this subject. And the mode of the teaching will be, I'll share the PPTs, and I would love to interact with you all, as you all are working and you can share your experiences. Even I will get to learn from you all. Okay, you can
Sure,
share
ma'am.
the experiences of your firm, like how it is, how the maintenance is done there, uh, and all the things. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Sure, ma'am.
yeah, shall we meet tomorrow then?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Pavani has joined, is it?
Yeah, Pavani joined, but I think she's facing some audio issues.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks for your time, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Abhiram. And you can
Yeah.
share it with your classmates also. Ask them to join in tomorrow's class.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Sure,
you
ma'am.
will have only one course per day, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
How many subjects you have in this semester?
4 subjects, ma'am.
4 subjects. So
Yeah.
after you finish this course, other course will start.
I think this is our final semester, ma'am. This is a PG diploma 1 year course only. First semester already done, but still we are waiting for the results. And
Uh-huh.
second semester started. In second semester, there are 4 subjects and one project work.
Okay. So out of 4 subjects start parallelly, or is it in
Uh,
sequence? After
uh,
this subject is finished, other subject will be there.
no, parallel, ma'am. Today, actually, uh, in first hour, supply chain management, second hour, total quality management, third, world class manufacturing, and fourth,
Uh-huh.
maintenance management. But
Okay, okay.
unfortunately, 3 professors didn't join.
Oh, they didn't join, is it?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, I'll join tomorrow also. Tomorrow we'll try to finish. I think in third unit of block one, maintenance costing and budgeting is there. There you will have little formulae. Okay. Apart from
okay.
that, other things are very general, like what are the functions, objectives of maintenance management, why it is needed, and all those things. There are a couple of case studies also, which I'll share the screen and we will discuss about that.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll do it in tomorrow's class.
Yeah, thank
Okay.
you,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much, Mr. Abhiram.
Yeah,
Okay.
no problem, ma'am.
Okay. I'll take your leave.
Yeah.